I'm extremely excited to talk about today this brand new electric guitar I just received. This one here is from Donner. They've been established since 2012, selling online, selling all over the place. And look at this beauty for a beginner's guitar at this price range. I mean, you cannot ask for more. I love the color. This is kind of an aquamarine color. I have to be honest, the picture on Amazon shows a little darker blue, but I'm not disappointed because this is actually my favorite color. So it's got that really nice finish, kind of a pearlescent finish as well on the body. Really, really nice. Really cool. It has the 3 pickups and the double pickup here. You've got your volume, your tone, and the 2 tones for the different pickups you have here. Of course, you've got your pickup selector here. And let's talk about what it comes with, because this thing is a full package deal. Look at this little pouch, and we'll go one by one. Right here, the strap. So of course, if you want a guitar strap, this is a very basic guitar strap, of course, but this guitar will work with any guitar straps because you have the nut right here and you have the second nut right here. So that's not an issue absolutely at all. Then, because it's an electric guitar, you will need your 1/4 inch or 3/4 inch cable, and it comes with the cable, which I'm excited. I'll open it actually because we will be using it. There you go. That's the cable right here. What else is in this little goodie bag? A capo, because everyone needs a capo. This is a nice basic capo. I'm not going to lie, of course. It has the protection on each side to make sure it doesn't scratch your neck, and some actually good action, some good pressure, so you know that it's going to work all across the fretboard. So there you go. That's the capo. What else have we got in here? You've got, oh, I didn't even know this one even had that. Awesome. Look at this. This guys, this is a whammy bar. So even if you are a beginner or advanced, I will install it right now. I didn't even know this one came with a whammy bar. If you are not familiar with what a whammy bar does, if you're buying this guitar for someone else, the whammy bar is basically this. Hear that? Pretty cool. It's always fun. A lot of my favorite artists use whammy bars. So there you go. That one comes with that. What else? You've got a Donner chromatic tuner. So that's really, really cool. And a very basic chromatic tuner at that, of course. Nothing fancy. You get what you get with this one. It's perfect. It's got the battery included. It literally is a package that gets you started right away. You don't have to run to any store or anywhere else to get everything you need. And of course, last but not least, comes with the replacement strings that you'll be needing if you play a lot and practice a lot. And without even forgetting the important thing that you already saw, it actually comes with a carrying case. The carrying case is non-padded, so you have to be careful carrying this around, but it is a really nice starter's carrying case. But guys, check this out. This is not, I'm not done, because it actually comes with its own amp, albeit very small amp. But hey, if you're practicing, you're starting, and you want something just basic that will do the job, because this is exactly it. This whole setup will do exactly what you want. Start playing guitar, right? So I have it right here. This is the Donner amp. I actually just plugged it in. It plugs in, and this is the coolest thing. You don't need a socket. You can just plug it in through a battery pack. I just have it on a battery pack here, USB-C. So let's set it up right now. I will use cable that they provided. Everything Donner branded. I like that. I like that. They do everything themselves. So let's plug that in here and plug that in here. There's one entry. Oh, and I already heard it. That's awesome. And let's see what, I haven't played this yet. So this is going to be, there you go. You can see my smile. I'm actually impressed because like out of one single box, this is cool. I've got a little distortion on here, so that's the fun part. I'm going to take out the distortion entirely and see what else I can do with this. Let's go. Okay, so I've got that down. Okay, wait a second. I know I can do more than that. Oh yeah. Oh, I can really go. That's gonna wake up my wife in the morning. Love that little thing. So, all in all, strings are great. The guitar is great. The actual tone of it is pretty impressive for such a just. They qualify this as a beginner's guitar. I'm not a beginner, and I'm quite satisfied with this thing. So, if you're looking for a guitar, if you're looking for someone to start the guitar, maybe a child, this is an incredible, incredible pack. And I think I'm gonna play some more.